Dealing with dog hair has always been a constant struggle in my house. With a Labrador mix that has a double coat made up of 2 distinct layers, keeping the shedding under control has been a challenge. The hair seems to find its way everywhere, on furniture, in the air, and even sticking to food. Traditional brushes couldn't help much. That's why I was eager to try the Redroad P17 dog grooming kit. The Redroad features a sleek and modern look that feels sturdy and durable. The kit includes 6 different grooming tools, each tailored for a specific grooming need like cleaning, combing, or shaving. The unit comes with a long power cord and a 5-foot hose, which offers great flexibility when moving around your pet. The length is useful as it allows me to maneuver easily without constantly repositioning the device. It is so easy to operate as there is one button to power on and another button to switch between 3 suction power levels. It features a powerful motor, boasting a suction power of up to 12,000 pascals. During the test on my dog, the vacuum performed exceptionally well. The grooming process was not only quicker, but also less messy compared to traditional grooming methods. The comb attachment helped detangle knots without pulling, while the de-shedding tool removed loose hair or thick areas quickly. The vacuum function integrated seamlessly with the grooming tools, sucking up loose hair directly as it was combed. I often use the comb or the shedding tool to brush my dog, then use the roller brush to remove hairs from my clothes. The Redroad P17 also has a 4-layer filtration system that purifies the air as you groom. This feature is particularly beneficial for households with multiple pets or for those who suffer from allergies. Another major advantage of the Redroad P17 is its super quiet operation. Operating at just 74 decibels, the device is notably quieter than many other grooming tools on the market. My pet is often anxious with noisy grooming tools, but she remains calm throughout the session. The Redroad is quite easy to clean and maintain. You can open the dust box with a push of a button for dumping of collected hair, and you can also remove the filter for easier cleaning. This is an all-in-one solution that makes grooming more efficient, less stressful, and cleaner. For owners of shedding breeds, this grooming kit can effectively reduce the amount of hair around the house while providing a comfortable grooming experience for your pet.